Hey guys, today I have three questions very important for you if you want to bring realism in your artwork. The number one, are you impressed by artists who are able to achieve high level of realism in their work and wish you could also get that point someday? Number two, interested in bringing realistic form and three-dimensionality to your drawings so that they can really pop out? And the third, have you gained some confidence creating line sketches and are ready to start adding realistic light and shading effects? If yes for three cases, then this video is just a solution you are looking for. All you need to know is all about realism, realistic sketch techniques, and how to draw shades realistically. Hey everyone, I'm Sutapa Ghosh going to explain you the hyperrealism. Today you can see one beautiful portrait with hyperrealism, as well as I will explain the process of hyperrealism. So without wasting time, let's start the video. What is hyperrealism? Hyperrealism is the young art form of creating illusions by enhancing reality. Artists of this genre take their works beyond purely photographic quality by placing added focus on visual, social, and cultural details of everyday life. They play with color, intensity, lighting, contrast, and sharpness to shape a more vivid depiction of what we can see with the naked eye. This is what separates hyperrealism from its more naturalistic predecessor, photorealism. Hyperrealistic artists typically choose from drawing, painting, and sculpture in their effort to bring an added dimension of reality to life. Thanks to increased use of technology in the visual arts, they may also use digital illusions techniques or alteration of images transferred onto canvases or molds in their work. Overall, hyperrealism provides an extremely effective means of exploring how we as people interact with ourselves, with each other, and with ordinary objects from our everyday lives. For this reason, artists have the freedom to use hyperrealism in depicting human through an array of lenses ranging from the social and political to the psychological, internal, or the aesthetic external workings of the mind and body. So, following things you need to be careful while you are working with realism. First of all, quality reference. If your reference is not up to the mark, you cannot get the quality of realistic sketch. Number two, art supplies. Always use good quality art supplies, not the cheapest one, cause I already told cheapest quality has its own limitations. Number three, plan initial sketch. Focus on large shape first. Always plan your sketch before you start working with it. Number 4. No visible line. This is the most effective point if you want to get the realism in your artwork. No visible lines should be there. All the lines should be submerged with each other. Next, number 5. Gradual, smooth transition. Very vital point is that the transition from light area to the shade or darker area, the transition should be smooth enough, just like realistically we got on our skin. And the number 6 is wide variety of values. You will have to focus on values, cause if you can't judge the values properly, then you cannot get the realistic art. You need to work on judging the values. If you don't have the knowledge of how to judge the values and how to get the proper values, then you can follow my videos. You will definitely get the idea of how to judge the sketches values and how to get the proper tone. Hey guys, so this is all about today's video. In this video, you got the full information about hyperrealism in sketches. Also, you can use this technique for your painting too. So I used to bring such type of informative videos in front of you. If you are interested in that, then please subscribe my channel. Also, I have one request. Please share it cause making such informational video needs so much of effort. I used to get inspired and motivated whenever you are subscribing my channel, and whenever I see my like counts, I used to get very happy. So thank you so much for watching this channel till now. More videos are yet to come, so stay tuned with my channel. Take care till then. Stay safe. Have a wonderful time. Bye.